Okay, November 2017. So in this question, which we had done last time, yeah, इसमें देखो, normal loss is what? 5% of total input. Now, when I spoke here about total input, matlab it should be opening WIP plus raw material input. Okay, and anyways, the instruction was given in the question paper also. See, opening stock and units put in. Matlab opening WIP plus raw material input. Okay, yeah. But in today's sum, see the difference. Just look at the question. This is May 2017 का paper. Yeah, May 2017. And okay, let me take you to the question. Introduce you to the question. From the following statement relating to Q, process Q. So the name of this process is process Q, the current process. Prepare a statement of equivalent production. So you have to prepare statement of equivalent production, matlab step 1, quantity. Statement of cost, matlab step 2, cost price. Statement of evaluation, matlab step 3, value of the output. And also prepare a process account and an abnormal loss or gain depending on the sum. And they want you to take FIFO method. See, anyways, इधर FIFO का इतना पता नहीं चलता है. The only difference is that जब वो opening plus opening WIP, I converted into an expected finished goods. Okay. So opening WIP, how much? 4,000 units. Okay. Now see, its degree of completion is given 100, 60, 60. Okay. Now listen carefully what I'm saying. And see this part also. Received from process P 40,000 units and the cost is 1,72,800. Matlab kya? There are actually two process. Process P and process Q. लेकिन आपको जो इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है वो सिर्फ प्रोसेस क्यू का दिया, पी का नहीं दिया. तो पी का जो क्लोजिंग है, आई मीन पी का जो आउटपुट है, obviously you know it will be raw material input for process Q. Understood? Yeah. Next important thing is of P and Q only. Process Q and process P. So process Q में जो opening WIP है, which is 4,000 units, उसका breakup दिया है is 100, 60, 60. Okay, but actually dear, ये जो opening WIP है, this is actually closing WIP of process P 4,000, जिसका breakup था 100, 60, 60. So when this WIP came inside process Q, ये इधर आएगा. Okay, so this process is gone. This process is not asked. अब तुमको ये तुम्हारा current process है, process Q. Okay, so 100% labor was already processed. So now I don't have any scope of labor being converted. Then 60% is done of labor and overheads. That means बाकी का 40% will be completed when this WIP comes in process Q. So actually the degree of completion is 160, 60, but for closing WIP. But in the current process, how much more I have to complete? What is equivalent process costing? Completing the incomplete. So this was incomplete. Now I am completing it. 0, 40, 40. Am I clear about this? acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, so I'll write here 0, 40, 40. Okay, and next I'll take the total of this. This is the cost of WIP. In the last sum, cost of WIP was directly given. See, 8,000. There was no breakup of WIP cost. But in this sum, there is breakup of WIP cost. Okay, so just total it. 23,000 plus 11,240 plus 8380. How much? 42,620. So the total is 42,620. Okay. And then expenses incurred, that is paid in process queue, material, labor and overheads. So ये सब items I'm going to debit. Obviously, opening WIP debit. ठीक है ना? This figure will also be debit. ठीक है? Yeah. So ये 4,000 units का ये cost है. Closing WIP, yeah, 3,000 units. Degree of completion is given 100, 50, 50. Fine. Unit scrap, matlab normal loss 4,000. Degree of completion is given 100, 80, 80. Okay. Now, the biggest difference in the sum. Normal loss, how much they have said? 5% of current input. In the last question, they had said total input. Here they have said it is current input. When I say current input, matlab only on raw material input. That is, my normal loss will be on 40,000 and not 44,000. Okay, my normal loss will be only on the current input. This is my current input. गलती से भी 44 पे मत लेना, इसको ऐड नहीं करना है, क्लियरली बोला है ऑन द करंट इनपुट. सो दिस इज माय करंट इनपुट ऑफ 40,000. ओके, और इधर सब प्रिंटिंग एरर इज देयर, इज रियलाइज्ड एट rupees 2 per unit. This part is missing. Scrap value is missing in the question. Please add it. Okay, and completed units are transferred बोला है to warehouse. ठीक है, लास्ट में देखते हैं क्या करना है. Start. Statement showing EP. Start. Input. $4,000. So opening output is 4,000. And degree of completion, as I said, 0, 40, 40. ठीक है, तो 4,000 का 0 is 0. 4,000 का 40% is 1,600. So see this, 1,600, 1,600. Okay, next 40,000 का raw material input, and this is only the current input. Yeah, raw material input का breakup is first, yeah, finished goods. The finished goods you will get it as a balancing figure, obviously. Closing WIP is given 3,000, and uska degree of completion is also given 100, 50, 50. So 3,000 ka 100% is 3,000, 50% is 1,500. Okay, next, normal loss. Normal loss, be attentive. It will be calculated only on 40 because it is clearly given in the question. It is going to be on the current input. Current input is only 40. Please don't take it on 44. Wrong हो जाएगी. लास्ट सम में बोला था कि इट शुड बी ऑन टोटल इनपुट. टोटल इनपुट बोला तो यू विल टेक दिस कोड. करंट इनपुट बोला तो ओनली द रॉ मटेरियल. ओके, सो 40,000 का 5% is how much? 2,000. Okay, yeah, 2,000. And normal loss cannot be converted into expected output. So see for the dash. Okay, but in the question, units scrapped they have said is 4,000. But when I calculated it, I got the answer 2,000. That means balance 2,000 is abnormal loss. ठीक है ना? Okay. See, scrap के बारे में क्या बोला है? Scrap quantity it is 4,000. 4,000 में से normal loss कितना आया? 2,000. We just calculated. तो बाकी जो बच गया 2,000 that is abnormal loss. Okay? Clear? Right. Next, abnormal loss 2,000. Abnormal loss का degree of completion is given. Yes. 100, 80, 80. Okay? Yeah. Write it here. 100, 80, 80. And calculate. 2,000 का 100% is 2,000. 2,000 का 80% is 1,600. Okay? Right? Yeah. And the important thing, we know whatever is our input will be always equal to our output. So can I take this equal for 44,000 and 44,000? Now go reverse, you will get the answer of how much finished goods was produced in the current process. Okay, this finished goods indicates finished goods produced in the current process. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 44,000 minus 11,000. So 33,000 is my actual output. Okay, actual output. मतलब जो warehouse में जाएगा. तो warehouse में ये वाला output जाएगा. ठीक है. And as you all know, the actual output we always assume it is 100% obviously. अभी तो वो आउटपुट बना है, राइट? इसमें कुछ पेंडिंग नहीं है, इट इज कंप्लीट, देयर इज नथिंग इनकम्प्लीट. ओके, सो 33,000, 33,000 एंड 33,000. ठीक है, डू द टोटलिंग. 33 plus 3 is 36, 37, 38, 38,000. 33 plus 1,500, 34, 500. Plus 1,600 again plus 1,600, 37, 700. Fine. So is the first step clear to everyone? Yeah, thanks for the acknowledgement. Next. Step 2. So step 2 में what are you going to do? You're going to calculate the CPU. Yeah. Statement showing cost per unit. CPU is what? Cost price. Yeah. So cost divided by quantity will give me the rate. This EP matlab quantity. And this is nothing but my rate per unit. Simple. Okay. Now, how will you get your cost of material? Now, ध्यान से सुनो. See this. This is my raw material cost. Yeah. 1,72,800. इसके साथ और एक raw material cost भी है ये. 81,000. Okay. तो ये add होगा. 1,72,800 plus 81,000. Okay, minus the scrap. आपने स्क्रैप बेचा और उससे आपको थोड़ा रेवेन्यू हुआ, तो उतना कॉस्ट आपका रिड्यूस हो गया, राइट? सो या, how much is your normal loss was we calculated 2,000, and what is the scrap value? 2 rupees. So 2,000 into 2 is 4,000. Okay, so I will have to subtract 4,000 minus 4,000. So actually my raw material consumed, yeah, my raw material is 2,49,800. Okay, don't forget this. Then labor is given 1,35,720, and overheads is also given in the question 67,860. Okay, divide this with your, what do you call, yeah, EP. EP is your quantity, divided with your quantity. Yeah. So cost divided by quantity. Okay, this you will get from step 1. Okay, yeah. Step 1. Step 1 may, how much is my quantity? 38,000, 37,700, and 37,700. Okay, so take this. See, 38,000, 37,700, 37,700. Okay, so 2,49,800 divided by 38,000. Don't think कि answers cannot be in decimals. It can very much be in decimals. ऐसा कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है कि cost price cannot be in decimals. Okay, तो जब भी decimals आएगा, your cost price just go up to 4 decimals for accuracy. Okay, so that वो last में tally हो जाए, वरना वो 3-4 रुपए का difference दिखाता है. Yeah, so 6.5737. Okay, next 1,35,720. 1,35,720 divided by 37,700. 3.6 is my CP. Then 67,860 divided by 37,700. 1.8. Okay. So I got the individual cost price, and now total it. Plus 3.6 plus 6.57 6.5737. So 11.9737. Okay, go up to 4 decimals, I mean, for accuracy. Okay. Next, step 3. Now you have to calculate your output. How will you do that? Quantity multiplied with rate. That is step 1 multiplied with step 2 will give you step 3 value. Okay. Yeah. So first obviously start with WIP. आप देख सकते हो इधर देखो. See, और outputs में पहला क्या है? WIP. फिर क्या है? Finished goods. Next, the closing stock of WIP. Next, normal loss. Next, abnormal loss. Okay. So find the value also in the same sequence. Okay. Yeah. So start. Opening stock of WIP, material, labor, overheads, finished goods, material, labor, overheads, then closing WIP, material, labor, overheads, then abnormal loss, material, labor, overheads, like this. Okay. Quantity you will get from step 1, rate you will get from step 2. So quantities when we converted it was 0, 1600, 1600, 33,000, 33,000, 33,000, 3,000, then 1,500 and 1,500, 2,000, 1,600 and 1,600. See, I will relate this. See your step 1. Go to step 1. देखो same है. WIP 0, 1,600, 1,600. Finished goods 33,000, 33,000, 33,000. WIP 3,000, 1,500 and 1,500. Normal loss is not calculated, not considered in the calculation of output, obviously. And abnormal loss, see, 2,000, 1,600 and 1,600. Okay, so that's my quantity which I got from step 1. And this is my rate 6.5737, 3.6 and 1.8. Okay, so multiply. First one is obviously 0. 1,600 into 3.6, 5760. And 1,600 into 1.8, 2880. दोनों को टोटल करो. So my total is 8640. Next, finished goods. 33,000 into 6.5737. So round off कर दो. 2,16,932. Next, 33,000 into 3.6. 11,18,800. Next, 33,000 into 1.8. 59,400. Now, total all the three. 1,18,800 plus 2,16,932. 3,95,132. Okay. Next. Yeah. 3,000 into 6.5737. So it is 19,721. Then 1,500 into 3.6, 5,400. 1,500 into 1.8, 2,700. Total कर दो. 27,841. Then abnormal loss 2,000 into 6.5737. So 13,147. 1,600 into 3.6, 5760. 1,600 into 1.8, 2880. तीनों को टोटल करो. Plus 5760 plus 13,147. 21,787. You put the multiplication sign or either write here like this. Put it here. So that when you do it, it strikes you. Six point 5737. It will be more legible. 6.5737. Next 2.6. 1. Okay. So once this is done, then you have to make your process account. So make a process account. Yeah, right here. Process. The name of the process is Q account. Particulars, quantity column, and the amount column. You can write these also. Particulars, quantity, amount. Okay. Start with okay. Open Bring WIP debit. Raw material input debit, which came from process P. Additional material 81,000. Labor and overheads. Okay. Then credit side, normal loss 2,000, and it was sold for 2 rupees. 4,000 is my revenue. Okay, sale of scrap, say income. Okay, yeah. And now the most important part is calculating finished goods. Okay, yeah. So ये कैसे मिलेगा? Working note number 1 से. मेरा opening WIP कितना है? 42,620. In the very beginning of the question, I had told you how do you get that? Okay, 42,620. Total all these three, you will get this answer. Okay, 42,620. So this opening WIP cost, ठीक है? ये जो WIP था, ये इसका degree of completion था 100, 60, 60 as per the question. फिर जो नेक्स्ट WIP है, ओपनिंग WIP कन्वर्टेड इनटू फिनिश्ड गुड्स. ये जो WIP आया था, ये तो प्रोसेस P से आया था Q में, बराबर. और ये जो WIP कन्वर्ट हुआ है फिनिश्ड गुड्स में, ये Q प्रोसेस में हुआ है. तो इसका जो डिग्री ऑफ कंप्लीशन है, जो अभी मैंने किया था 0, 40, 40. ओके, 0, 40, 40. Okay, and then this finished goods, this one, this is the actual finished goods of the current year or of the current process Q. Okay, like this. So this total will make up for finished goods. I mean actual output. Okay. So this so you got from step 3. I'm writing here everything. Yeah. This is given. This one is from step 3. Opening stock of WIP. 8640. Okay, that is the cost. And finished goods 3,95,132. This is also from step 3. Total it. $42,620 plus 8640 plus 3,95,132. My total is 4,46,392. Okay, this is my value of finished goods. So write this here. Yeah. Working note number 1. This one. Okay. And here you can write 33,000 plus opening kitna tha? 4,000. So this becomes 37. Okay. Then closing WIP is there. Yes, it is there. 27,821. Step 3. Yeah, here. 27,821. And abnormal loss 21,787. So right here. Step 3. And this one is also from step 3. Okay. Then tally करके देखो. It has to obviously 42,620 plus 1,72,800 plus 81,000 plus 1,35,720 plus 67,860. So answer is 5 lakhs. See the credit side also 4,000 plus 4 lakh plus 4,46,392 plus 27,821 plus 21,787. Yes, my answer is correct. Okay, so this is 5 ones. It tallies. Obviously, the quantity column also tallies. Okay, yeah. And then just make an abnormal loss account. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Just log in for 2 minutes after this with the same ID for abnormal loss account. Okay. Okay. Just see your just a minute. Just check this. We did this process account, which got tallied. Obviously, it has to tally, right? And the important highlight in the sum was this part. Yeah. Okay. 37 it is. Don't take 33. 33 plus pehle ka opening WIP, which you have converted into finished goods in the current process. Okay. Yes. Then they have asked for an abnormal loss account also. So I'm making that. So abnormal loss account here. Iska second effect obviously will come here. Okay. So write it here. To process second effect. Process Q account. Amount is 2000, sorry, quantity is 2000 and amount is 21,787. 21,787. Okay. And then the imaginary book record, imaginary journal entry, that is in if I would have been able to sell off this loss. So imaginary entry is you're selling off the loss. So what you're assuming कि काश अगर ये abnormal loss मैं बेच पाता या बेच पाती. So what would have been the journal entry? Cash would have come in, cash bank account debit to abnormal loss account. So this is an imaginary entry just done for the purpose of book entry. Okay, ताकि ये tally हो जाए. Okay, for every debit and equivalent credit effect that set off करने के लिए this entry is done. Okay, you have to assume this. Some writing here so that when you revise it is clear to you. Okay, and what is the rate? Scrap value क्या लिया है हमने? I have given you 2 rupees. So this makes it to 4 rupees. Sorry, 4,000. 2 2s are 4. Yeah. Then close this ledger. So 2,000, 21,787. 2,000. Quantity column will tally, but not the amount column. 787. 21,787. Okay. So 21,787. 787 minus 4,000. So 17,787 ये मेरा loss होगा, expected loss. Okay. So write this. This will go to costing P&L account. Okay. How much? 17,787. 17,787. Okay. So this is the meaning. इसका ये meaning है. अभी मेरा loss कितना है? 21,787. In case, just an imaginary book entry, if I would have been able to sell this abnormal loss, तो मेरा loss थोड़ा और कम हो जाता है, 17,787 होता है. Okay, just an assumption entry. I'm again saying that. Okay, clear everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. So this was the last part of the question. The last question and this question both are, yeah, opening with opening and closing WIP, but the newness in the sum was that here your normal loss was not on the total input, it was only on the current input. Okay, yeah, that's it.